Are you in software sales? Do you know where to find revenue opportunities in your current customer list? When you have the Sentinel platform, just add Pulse and get the information you need to grow revenue. Because Pulse is a Salesforce plugin, you can set up Salesforce notifications that ping you when you need to take action. It's the first Tuesday of Q2, 9 a.m. You log into Salesforce to review which accounts have subscriptions about to expire. It's an easy way to prioritize renewal opportunities. From here, you can dig deeper into each account. Here's the account details. What products did the customer buy? How much did they deploy? And license expiration dates. And you can see the deployment trend over time to really understand the potential next steps. This account is ripe for upsell. Ready for a personal demo? Visit our website to learn more.